Hey, I'm Bridget Sampson, Recreation Program Coordinator here at the Heritage Center. I'd love to tell you about an upcoming event that's going on for the Heritage Active Adults. On Tuesday, April 28th from 1:30 to 3 p.m., you're all invited to our annual open house at the Lakeville Heritage Center. Come and discover all the exciting activities, events, and groups we offer at the active adults in our community. Explore a variety of programs designed to keep you active, engaged, and connected, including fitness classes, arts and crafts, social gatherings, educational classes, special interest clubs, day trips, and health and wellness resources. Meet our friendly staff, tour our facility, and enjoy refreshments while connecting with fellow seniors. Whether you're looking for fun, friendship, or new learning opportunities, there's something for everyone. For more information, call 952-985-4620 or visit our website, lakevilleheritagecenter.com. We hope to see you soon at the Heritage Center.